Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are here again to do our normal weekly forecast on Euro USD. Based on our past week review, we there we anticipated that price will do what? That price we gave a two scenario that we're expecting price to. Once price break here, we're expecting a bit of reverse, and price did that. Immediately it broke. It did a reverse there, as you can see it here. Immediately he broke this, he did a little bit of reverse and took this high off, then continue is going down. So since then, markets have been downtrend on this time frame. And see, and you guys and if you guys notice, price have not yet taken this our daily internal range liquidity. Let's move to daily time frame. If only you guys will remember, last week I anticipated that I'm seriously expecting price to take out this internal range, because this is your daily internal range liquidity. This swing low, yeah. So I'm expecting price to take it out. This swing low was the low that created this buy momentum, but still at this our range. This is the only internal range liquidity that is available here. So seriously, what I've been looking at these things. What I'm observing, what my own new findings here is that price might price might skyrocket immediately take this um this internal range, daily internal range liquidity out. Sorry, it might skyrocket once, but I'm not yet convinced enough to take to go with this demand zone. Or maybe before price reach there, we might see how price reach there. If price reach there with a big momentum, price might take this demand zone out, then use this one below here, this one that I marked out. But if price use the low momentum to reach there, then we might wait for a QMH to break, then we look for our entry criteria, then to trade it up there. So my anticipation on this daily time frame is still active and unfulfilled. Price taking out this, price mitigating demand zone below this internal range liquidity, price doing what again? Price taking out the external range liquidity. So let's move to 1 hour time frame to observe and see what's happening there. Wow, Qatar. So as you all can see here, this is a swing high, this is a swing high, this is also a swing high, because this took out internal range liquidity of this range from year to year. So this is also a swing high, and price are the premium of this range here, this current 1 hour, this current range here, and still going up. So my anticipation here is, if price take this range out, price might stubbornly use something from here, might use this zone to give us a clean pullback, and this is going to be a two scenario again. This is going to be a two scenario again. So what I'm anticipating on this is, if price manages, because this is Monday. This is Monday morning. Before this is 7:30. London section will be open now in the next 30 minutes. So what I'm expecting here, if price manage to take this strong high out, what I'm expecting here is price to do is to use this as liquidity. Price taking this strong high out means that price these people have took out a lot of traders from the market, then it might use it to complete its move. Or once price takes it out, then you wait for your entry criteria from there, then enter. Once you see a reaction here that is forming QM, like something like this or this zone, because this is the only demand zone that might interrupt this movement. So this thing could happen, might happen. Once you see QMH take being broke out on 15 minutes, if you go down to 15 minutes, then once price takes this eye out, wait for your entry criteria up here on this supply zone, then enter for a sell. Then once price take this liquidities out around here, this is a demand zone. So what you'll be observing on this demand zone, before once price take this out, you break even your trade. Once what you'll be observing on this demand zone is to know what price will do. If price will give a sign of changing direction, that's waiting for QMH to break out, like price creating this high, taking this low out, then taking the high again. That's QMH being breakout. Quasimodo high being breakout, then wait for pullback, then take it up there. But if there is nothing like that, then just break even your trade and wait for price to take this low out. And once the price take this low out, just target this low as your TP, because this low will be taken out immediately. You see, this low will be definitely taken out immediately once price takes this low out. This daily internal range liquidity will be taken out, will be the next immediately. And once that one happen, that means that 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 this is it. This is my anticipation. Let's move to 4 hours. As you all can see, I've stopped opening 5 minutes for over how many months now, because and I am not longer interested in going below that time frame. So this is it. This daily internal liquidity, internal range liquidity of the daily range, this daily range, once it gets taken out, then we are wait for our buy entry criteria to price to give us our entry criteria to take it out. So I'm advising if so my advice is, once you manage to get into a trade here, just try to take passers when you hit your minimum store TP, then leave some runners to this here. So, but last week I noticed a lot of mentors are anticipating that price that EU might take this low out. So I noticed a lot of them are saying that. So they are not the market makers. I am not the market makers. This is my anticipation. This is my review. This is my analysis. This is what I'm expecting on price to do. So if you manage to know the directional bias that I give out here, just go with your entry criteria and proper risk management. This is not a financial advice. I'm just doing it for educational purposes only. But just manage to follow all your trading plans, entry criteria, risk management rules, be disciplined, just follow everything that you know that is your trading plan. This is only the directional bias, my hint on directional bias. I'm expecting a price going this week. So this is it, man. So I hope you guys understood what I said here. So I think we are done here. Thank you guys for watching. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please click the subscription button, like this video, and drop your comments under the comment section. So I would love to hear from you guys. There is this guy that is always commenting on my videos. What is his name again? I've forgotten. I'll check it. Please, if you have any comments again, please drop. I love hearing your opinion. Um, so if you guys also have comments for me or something to drop, you guys can reach me out. So I'll also be dropping my Telegram channel below. So I've not been posting there for a while now. So that's it. Yeah, I wish you a good trading week. I wish you a profitable one. Don't forget to follow your rules because that is the most important thing. God bless you guys and thank you.